Oos! It is Say what's up, one shop. So in this video, more cool stuff from wonhobby Gallery 2022 Autumn. And in this video, we take a look at the Hololive figure display that they had up. And in this display, they had a bunch of Nendoroids, pop-up parades, few Figmas, and some scales. But yeah, very cool stuff. Every time they have these events, more and more Hololive figures are appearing, and more Hololive VTubers are appearing as well. So yeah, very cool stuff. I mean, these are extremely popular at the moment. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Thanks for watching.